Dental implants are an investment, and every situation is unique. We pride ourselves here on starting with the end in mind. At your consultation, we can virtually plan your implant. Many factors are involved in the cost of a dental implant, including bone grafting, soft tissue grafting, or maybe a combination of both. We can start with the end in mind and provide you with a detailed treatment plan and do a pre-treatment estimate with your insurance so you know exactly your financial responsibility before we ever begin. As oral surgeons, we have the advanced training and knowledge to provide you with the most predictable outcome. Combined with our surgical tools, experience, virtual planning, we can plan your implant in the most ideal position, which will give you the best form and function for a lifelong implant. We feel confident in that dental implant, so confident that as long as you maintain your routine care with your general dentist, we guarantee all implants for 5 years. We're fortunate to do dental implants every day. Midwest Oral Surgery has placed thousands of implants over the years, from the most complex to the most straightforward. We feel confident that we can provide you with the most predictable, planned outcome, starting with the end in mind and treating you right.